All right. Now write an algebraic expression for sum. Remember, sum just means to do what? Addition. So you're adding a number and 8. All right, you're adding a number and 8. All right. So correct answer here has to be what? C. All right, but again, I don't care about the letter. I care that you wrote down x plus 8. All right, that's what we're working on. All right, what? I don't know what you mean, write it on here. On the paper, that's what you're doing. Everything's going on the paper right now. Okay, 27 is being decreased by a number. So again, 27 is what's being decreased. So it's 27 minus x. All right. (19a) is just what? Multiplication. All right. Yes. Another word for that is the product of 19 and a number. For number 4, x plus y. Yep, sum of x and y. Totally good with that, guys. All right. And again, I'm really just hoping you're kind of checking them off. Yes, I knew those 4 for 4. Like this is your exam. All right. Next, evaluating. So again, you have to do inside the parentheses. So 8 minus 3. 5. There you go. 6 times 5. 30. All right. So here, number 6 isn't that hard either, right? 2 times 11 plus 5. 22 plus 5, 27. Anybody? Name the property here. N plus 0 equals 7. Additive identity, right? And identity, remember, is how you remain the same. Adding 7, what's the other identity? You can add 0 or what? Multiply by 1. Add 0 or multiply by 1. All right? Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah, there is a typo there. Thank you, Ashley. I need to fix that. Yes. So I'm gonna go correct this, but yeah, I do think that, Ashley. Let's go ahead and fix that. All right, thank you. I didn't even pay attention to that. And I'm gonna correct that. So that would be N. Everybody fix that. Okay. Number 8, I think what they're trying to show you on number 8 is it doesn't matter how you add, but it'd be quicker to do this, right? 13 plus 7 is what? And then 6 plus 4 is what? 10, all right? So then 20 plus 10. There you go. All right, now we get into some simplifying. What can we add together?
7b and 2b.
Yep, just 7b and 2b makes what? Yes, 9b plus 3c. And now for number 10, we have to do the distributive property, correct? And so when we do the distributive property, that's going to be what? 10g plus 15. All right, here we go. Now again, 4 times 1, 24 plus, what's 6 times 16? How much? 96, right? And then you have to add these together.
Yeah.
So is everybody okay with that being 100? Right. All right, now twice a number m minus 3. Does that require parentheses? No, because it's not, the operations aren't right next to each other. So twice the number n, what does twice the number m mean?
2 times m.
2 times m. All right.
Yeah, minus 2.
So now, I think it's safe to say it's not A, it's not D. Twice the number m minus 3.
It's b because it says the sum of n.
That is correct. That's right. Sum means to add. So that's the addition, not the multiplication. So the correct answer here was B. You okay? So far, so good? Yes, sir. Cole, good for you.
N minus 3. And it's 2 times that what you get for that.
If the times 2 is.
But it's saying to double n first or multiply m by 2 first. Do you see that, Cole? And again, I do think these are kind of tricky, so that's why I'm being patient, right? And trying to make sure you see it properly. Twice the number m. You with me? All right. So now let's think about 13. What are we doing on that?
It's 2 times the sum of 7.
So we thinking it's B?
Yes.
All right, now just to review here. 2 times the sum, right? See how I want to highlight this to make sure. Times and sum right next to each other. So that's how we knew it needed parentheses. All right, that's how we knew it needed parentheses. All right, now honestly, guys, you're supposed to keep track. I mean, I think these are pretty easy. All right, I think it's pretty easy. All right, you should be making yourself note if you made a mistake. All right. Now, to solve 14, what do I have to do to both sides? Plus 18, right? So -3 plus 18 is what? 15. Now, also keep in mind, guys, we're not going to use a calculator at all. Okay? No calculators on the exam. All right, the numbers are small. All right, here we go. For number 15, what do we do to both sides? Divide by 5, right? So everybody should have divide by 5, divide by 5. 7. Now for 16, remember, we have 3/5 x equals 15. So what do I need?
You gotta multiply by the reciprocal.
Multiply by the reciprocal. 5/3, 5/3. All right. So I now have x equals. What's happening to this 15 and the 3? 3 goes to a what? 15 goes to a 5 times 5, 25. All right, here we go. 2t plus 1 equals 3. What do I do first? Subtract 1. 2t equals 2. So now what? Divide by 2. So t equals what? 1. Everybody good with that? All right. Number 18. What are we doing? Remember 18, all we're doing is plugging 1 in for b. Absolute value, 2 times 1 minus 5 plus 1. Wait a minute, so what is this right here? First, tell me what it is. What's 2 times 1 minus 5? Negative 3. So make sure you're reviewing. Yep. So absolute value negative 3 again is what? 3 plus 1, 4. I'm okay with that. All right, let's look at 19. Another equation. 3t minus 6 equals t minus 2. All right, this is the important stuff now, guys. What do I need to do? Move the t over to the left and the negative 6 where? To the right. Minus t plus 6 plus 6. Anybody got any questions with that? Anybody? Now we draw your line underneath it. 3t minus 1t is what? 2t. What happens to the minus 6 and the plus 6? Positive t and negative t. Negative 2 plus 6, 4. And now what? Divide by 2. T equals 2. Everybody okay with that? All right, let's take a look at number 20. So what's the first step in number 20? Yes, thank you for saying that. Distribute the 4. 4t plus 4 equals 6t minus 1. Now what? Yes. So we can subtract 6t and subtract 4. So what happens to 4t minus 6t? Negative 2t. What happens to the plus 4 and the minus 4? 6t, negative 6t. And so negative 2t equals what? Negative 5. And then how do I get rid of this? Divide by negative 2. So t equals what? 5 over 2. Everybody okay with that? Jackson, you okay? Zeb?
Yes.
Good job, guys, today. Jolie, you all right back there?
Yeah.
Avery? Okay. Okay, here we go, 21. All right, so now this one is the one that's a little bit trickier, so I'm going to pull it over. All right. Come on, guys. Everybody's got to pay attention on this one. So first thing I got to do is what? Distribute. 5 times g. 5g. 5 times negative 2. Distribute. Minus 24. Anybody have a problem with that so far? Now, on the left side, what do I have to do? 5G plus G. There you go. I want everybody to rewrite that. 6G minus 10 equals 6G minus 24. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Everybody okay with that? Now, the real question though, does this 6G minus 10, is that possible to equal 6G minus 24? That's not possible. All right, that is not possible. Now, if you want, what we can do is we can subtract 6G and add 10, just to kind of show you if you don't see that. So what happens to 6G minus 6G? That's what? 0G. It cancels out. Then you can say the minus 10 and the plus 10. So you're telling me that 0G is equal to negative 14. Is that possible? No. So we say that's what? No solution. So the correct answer here is D. Everybody okay with that? Okay. Anybody? All right, a couple more problems, guys. Now for number 12, what do I have to do first on this one? Add 19 to both sides. Negative 12n equals 96. Divide by negative 12. So n equals what? 8. Positive or negative? You okay with that? Everybody okay with negative 8? I need to fix 22. That 5, 6, I don't know what that's doing. I'm going to fix that though later. All right. 23. Good for you. Say that again. Thank you, kiddo. Minus 17. So I'm going to rewrite it. Minus 17, minus 17. And then what? So F equals what? What? 3 divided by 3. It's all right. Negative 1. Are we okay with that? Okay. 24, what? Minus 4. I'm going to rewrite it. Minus 4. 15t equals 45. And now what? Divided by 15. So t equals 3. Everybody okay with that? All right, 2 more. X over 5 plus 6 equals 2. What do I have to do first? Minus 6. Now what? Multiply by 5. Everybody okay with that? Anybody? All right, last one for today. Negative x over 4 plus 3 equals 15. So what do I have to do first? Minus 3. How much is that? And now what? Multiply by negative 4. Negative 48. Anybody have any issues? Any issues? Any issues? Nobody? All right, lots more now. All right, continue on, guys. All right. Again, I appreciate today so far. All right, please practice the equations. All right, practice the equations. I want you to be really good at it. All right, let me stop sharing now and post this.